Hello everyone, welcome to Grey Pot. Today I'm going to show you a drink which is perfect to have during this winter, or you can have this drink chilled during summers. Let's see how to make badam milk. So take around 10 to 20 almonds, add some water and microwave it for 5 minutes and let it sit for 5 more minutes, and then you can easily peel out the skin from the almonds. Take the peeled almonds in another bowl, add some milk and blend it to make a paste. Now our almond paste is ready. Keep it aside and heat some milk in a pan. Here I have taken full fat milk. Bring it to boil. Add enough sugar, some saffron strands and boil it for 5 to 10 minutes. Once the milk gets slightly reduced, add the almond paste. Mix it and boil again for 5 to 10 minutes. And while boiling, don't forget to scrape down the cream from the sides and mix it to the milk. After a good boil of 5 to 10 minutes, you can see the milk has changed to a beautiful golden yellow color. Add some chopped almonds with some saffron strands and our delicious almond milk is ready. Do enjoy this recipe. Leave your valuable comments and suggestions in the comment section below. Click the logo to subscribe to Grey Pot. Watch more interesting recipes from our channel. Thank you.